This is what we have for now, and let's continue with tutorial. I will again split this window here, so left mouse click and drag this to right, and on left press N to close this tab. And now I will go with middle mouse button and I will drag this on left, and I will click here to render preview. Now we can create volumetrics. So for volumetrics I will go with cube, shift and right click to place origin here, and now I will go with mesh cube, and I will make a very big cube to cover all scene. So I will go with SY and SX. Ctrl A and apply scale. Now in viewport this is visible as a solid object, and I want to set this to bounce, so I want to see through this object, and I can do this if I click here to object, viewport display, and set this to bounce. Let's now go with double click here and we can rename this to volumetrics. And I will now rename this material also to volumetrics. And we can now delete this principal BSDF, and I will go with Shift A and search for principal volume. And now we can plug this to volume here. And let's bring density to all to 0.015. Last time I set this color to bluish color, and I bring this anisotropy to about 0.4. And this will create a little more misty atmosphere here. What I do last time, I also bring this emission strength to 0.002, and this also create a little more misty look, but also back some lighting in our scene. And I will also set this emission color to bluish color. And last time I also set this background or world color all to black, so I will move this almost completely to black. And we have one problem here. You can see that we cannot see in the background this volumetric cube, we see only black color here, and that's because we need change settings here in camera settings. We have this clip end only to 100 meters, so we can see only to about here, and we need just increase this to maybe 1000. Okay, and we now fix this problem. We have this sunlight we add before just for test, so we can now delete this. And we have this point lamp, default point lamp here. So if you want keep some highlights on this roof, we can keep this, but maybe only with value of 10. Let's now keep this for now, but I will see later. And if you want, you can go with Shift D, Y, and you can place behind this cabin very strong lamp, for example maybe 1000 or 10,000 here. And if you want, you can add also bluish color here, but last time I do something different. I place background image behind this house here. One problem we have with this lamp, we always see this edge of this point lamp. For example, we can make this radius bigger, but we still see this edge of this point lamp here. And one problem we have here, you can see that this roof is about middle of this image, so we need change camera settings, and I will go here, I will select camera, and I will change this rotation to about maybe 92 degrees, or even more, 92, maybe 0.5.